Hi guys, what's up everybody? Welcome to yet another exciting episode of Mo and Time World. If you're new here, my name is Mo. Karibu sana and feel at home. To our returning subscribers, thank you so much for the massive support that you've been showing us. On our today's video, we are going to be unboxing and plugging. Yes, I moved to this house about 2 months ago and I have a lot of things that I'm yet to purchase. You know how these things are. When you move to a new space, you really have a lot of new things to purchase. So yesterday I went to Kamukunji and bought a few things here and there. Every time when time and resources allow, I love to just go and walk around and find a few pieces that will fit into my house. So I did that yesterday, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing with you and plugging you guys. And if you have a better plug, do not hesitate to leave a comment. So let's skip to the good parts. We're going to start with this one here. This one is a dish drainer. It's 2-layered. Let's see whether it looks exactly like what we have here in the picture. Yeah, this costed me 1,300, but I know a place where you can get it at 1050. So yeah, ask me, I'll plug you. Hii nilipata building inaitwa Kamukunji Trade Center, basement, shop number 1. Yes, shop number 1. I got it there because I was buying other things from there. Penye ningepata na 1050, ingekuwa a lot of work because the time ningetafuta vile itakuwa delivered and it would cost me about the same amount for it to be delivered. So I decided to go for this. And yeah, wacha tuone how it is. Supposed to go on balls here. This is how it looks like. We will assemble it here on this video, but I will assemble it later and show you how it looks after assembling. So these ones here, I bought them from a roadside vendor. Ukiwa Kamukunji utaona kwa barabara. It's a big size. It costed me 600 bob. I bought 2 of them. So yeah, there's another one. So yeah, this is the second one. It's a bathroom organizer. I hope you can see that really well. This costed me 600. Most places I think zitakuwa, I don't know, maybe about 650, I'm not sure. But yeah, I got them for 600 for this one. And this is just from a brush. Yeah, I bought it at 50 bob kwa barabara. Kichungi. This is just 20 bob. Also, you just see them randomly, so I don't need to plug you on this. Yeah, but then now I can plug you on bed sheets here. So these are 2 bed sheets, cotton white. They have 2 pillowcases. I got this for 1,500. Building into the place. I'll put the number and the shop number of that guy. I've been buying from him for a very long time. But I don't think that I preserve 1,500 to me will be wholesale. But if you need help with that, you can always let me know. These bed sheets, pia unaweza pata a fitted bed sheet with 4 pillow pieces, and that will cost you 2,000 kama unanunua bei ya wholesale. So yeah, hapo you have to know someone. But yeah, but it's very good quality. Niteka shop, whenever the shop in a Savannah, it has a lot of things. Akona duvet. Plain white duvet is costing 3,500. Akona duvet nzuri, akona mattress protectors, wanashona pillows na vitu hizo. So that's why I bought these ones for 1,500. These ones are anti-slip mats and they're good quality and they're very big. I got 2. They costed me 600. It was selling them at 700. I bargained. So I got this at 600. 600 Kenya shillings. The same place. Also, I got this kitchen towel, which I love. It's still much at 130 bob. Yeah, you can see. I hope the quality is okay. And then I got a towel. This is a 50 by 100. It's quite big and it's good quality. As you can see closely, Aliniuzia 950. Towel. yeah, those were the things that I got from him. The other things I didn't get from him. This one I bought from the roadside. Yeah, mtoto wangu. Yeah, Koga. It was 50 bob. This one I also got from the roadside. It was 150. Yeah, actually I felt cold when I saw this one. Yeah, but hizi ni zile vitu kwa nakwambia nanunua hapo kwa hiyo barabara tukishuka. So that's together. And then the remaining two here, I got them from the same place where I got this kitchen rack. This one costed me 230. It's melamine, but it's really nice in a capriti ya kuserve soup, so I could not let it go. This one here are spoons. Nilinunua 150. They're 12 na ni quite heavy. Zitakuwa na spoons za nini za kutumia. Then yeah, I have a few other things. I got this one. The same billing with the too. This one costed me 160 bob. I don't know how much it cost in the supermarket. I wanted to change the ones that I have. So yeah, I got those two. This one I bought from the roadside at 100 bob. It was pretty and I thought it would look nice for my pigs. And then I got hangers. These are 10. I love metallic hangers. Juzo zingine huwa zinashindwa na sometimes zito ya kubeba nguo. So these are 10. I bought them at 300. Some people will sell them at 350, but this one, there's a place that I've been buying for quite some time. I'll show you a video of the entrance that you will follow. Hiyo building ya Kamukunji Trade Center, ukiingia right pale kwa stairs, there's a guy that sells from just outside hapo kwa stairs. He sells them at 300. So I bought two, and then I bought this one here for my kitchen. Hii unaweka hapa na msumari ama you drill some holes unatumia hizo screws za kushikilia. So you can also use misumari. This one nilinunua on the roadside. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It has 8 hooks. It costed me 150. There's a small one for 100, I think for 4 something. Then I wanted a jug. Sikuwa napata a jug like kalapoa, but this is good size because I wanted it ya jikoni ya kuchota maji and things like that. I don't need the kifuniko, so I didn't mind the color. I'll just have this and throw it in. So this one was 100 bob, still at Kamukunji Trade Center. Hapo tutazipata zingine zinauzwa. So and then I got this chopping board at 300. It's very heavy, ni wood ya kawaida, because what I have imeanza kuchoka. I've used it for quite some time, so I thought about changing. And time ikanisha, so I didn't get other things. So I'll be rating their you can check the amounts, they are on the video, kila kitu, how much I bought for. And if you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask. If you have any better plugs, please plug me. Juu sijamaliza kwenda Kamukunji, niko na vitu za kutafuta. So maybe we can try and fix this. See whether we are going to be able to do it. For now, let me wash, clean, install, or whatever it is that I need to do to these things. I will see you on our next video. Thank you so much for the massive support that you've been showing us. Until next time, adios.